Welcome back. While Python provides many built-in exceptions like value error or type error, sometimes you need an error type that is specific to your application's logic. In this section, we'll learn how to create and trigger our own custom exceptions, providing clearer feedback to users and developers. 1. Creating the custom exception class. Creating a custom exception is simple. Define a new class that inherits from the base exception class. We call ours insufficient funds error. By inheriting from exception, it becomes a fully recognized exception in the hierarchy. We override the constructor to accept specific data, like the current balance and the attempted amount, and we override the _str_ method to provide a detailed, readable error message. 2. Raising the custom exception. To trigger the custom exception when a business rule is violated here, when the withdrawal amount exceeds the balance, we use the raise keyword followed by an instance of our exception class. When raise is executed, the function immediately stops, and Python begins searching up the call stack for a matching except block. 3. Catching the custom exception. Finally, we use a standard try except block to test the functionality. Because our function violates the rule, it raises insufficient funds error. The except block specifically catches this custom error, and we use the exception object, e, to print the detailed custom error message we defined earlier. To summarize, custom exceptions make your code much more professional, reliable, and easier for others to debug. Next, we will solidify this concept by working through a few more comprehensive examples of creating and managing custom exceptions in different scenarios. Our next lecture 22.07. More programs custom exceptions. See you there.